How to use AI to translate Arxiv papers. More efficient, more professional. Now, let's visit the Arxiv homepage and select a paper for demonstration. Let's select a paper that contains numerous formulas for our demonstration. Let's copy the homepage address of this paper. Next, navigate to the translation page of OTranslator. Select the option for translating Arxiv papers. OTranslator supports various types of paper links, and generally, using the homepage link of the paper is sufficient. Paste the previously copied paper link into the input box, and OTranslator will generate a snapshot of the paper. Now simply select your target language to begin the translation. Here, I choose the full translation option. Now, you just need to wait for the translation to be completed. It's that simple. A paper is translated in no time. When translating papers from Arxiv, you will notice that the layout of the original text and the translation does not strictly correspond on a one-to-one basis. This is because OTranslator analyzes the text source code of the Arxiv paper, thereby producing translations of higher quality than typical PDF translations. You can opt to view the bilingual version of the translation. In the bilingual version, the translation appears below the original text. Of course, you can also download either the translation-only version or the bilingual version. When reading the bilingual version, you might prefer single-page viewing. Try different methods to find what suits you best. You can select different translation versions based on your reading preferences. You can choose to use the latest large language models for paper translation in OTranslator, such as GPT-4o, Gemini Pro, and Claude Sonnet. These large language models are not only language experts, but also possess extensive knowledge in various specialized fields, making their translations both professional and accurate. If you need to translate a paper, OTranslator will be an excellent assistant. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that OTranslator supports translation of documents in over 30 different formats, making it the best choice for document translation.